Hi everyone, I'm David Hui, the founder of Vibrato. At Vibrato, we help consumers and businesses make phone calls with AI. So with our technology, you can call other businesses or even people to carry out a complex task. Consumers use us for everyday things like negotiating bills or making appointments. On the other hand, businesses can use us to manage their vendor relationships, to call their customers, and more. Today, I'm going to give you a really quick tour of the product. To begin, Vibrato is very easy to use. When you start using the project, you'll see a variety of tasks here ready to go. If you click on one of these, you'll just have to fill out a form and we can make that phone call for you. This features a lot of the common things people like to do with the product. We have a chat system where you can speak to an AI agent of ours via text and define precisely the type of phone call you want to make. So if your call is very custom or involves a lot of different details or behaviors, you can just describe that here and we'll incorporate that into a phone call. Once you're done with this chat session, you'll be given a link where you can make that phone call right away. Next, I'm going to show you the task template system. This is a way to automate a task that you do very often. So here I have a task template for ordering a pizza. And what this does is that it orders just one large pepperoni pizza for pickup. And we'll say that I'm paying with cash. So this is just a very plain task, not directed at any one specific restaurant. What's interesting about this is that I can use this task template, and when I create a new phone call from it, I can specify exactly who the phone call should be to. So I can order for Domino's, Pizza Hut, etc. Let me show you the contacts page, which ties into this. So here you see I have one contact, Domino's San Francisco. So if I view that, here I have Domino's contact information. So the business name and the phone number. You can store a lot more information here, but for the demo's sake, this is all that's really needed. Both task templates and contacts are tied together in what we're calling the campaign system. So a campaign can automate making tens, hundreds, or even thousands of phone calls for you. What it does is, given a task template that defines a task, you can then run that across many different contacts. So say I have contacts for every pizza restaurant in San Francisco. I can then run a task template for ordering a pepperoni pizza across all of them. You normally wouldn't want to do that in real life, but that's an example of what you can do here. You may want to create a contact list of all of your different customers and then make a phone call to each of them asking for feedback. So in a campaign, you define the task template to use, and then you define the weekly calling hours. So if a contact is added to this campaign, we'll call them during those times. So contacts won't be called in the middle of the night on Saturday or Sunday. They'll be called precisely when you've defined them to be contacted on here. Let's go ahead and make a phone call. So I've already added Domino's to this campaign. What I can do is I can place another call to Domino's here. So I can select it, do call selected again. And now we're going to place a phone call to Domino's to order a large pepperoni pizza. If we go here to the calls page, we can then see this actually happen live. There's a lot of interesting things you can do here in the live call screen. Let me just give you a very quick tour. You can listen to the phone call. You can take over, where we'll give you a call right away for you to speak to the call recipient, taking the AI out of the conversation. You can end the call. And then a very special feature that we have here is the ability to speak to the AI directly. You can think of this as whispering in the AI's ear in the middle of the phone call. This means if a detail was incorrect, you can provide a correction here. If you want to escalate to a manager, you can tell the AI to do so here. If you want to provide a piece of information that was missing, you can provide that here. Let's listen to the phone call. Let's see what's happening. As you can see, we're both listening to the audio, and we actually have a live transcript of everything that's said on here.
Hi, we are receiving a bunch of pizza orders at the moment. We'd be delighted to prepare a tasty meal for you.
Thank you for calling Domino's. I'm Lara. Is this for delivery or carry out?
Carry out.
Okay, sure. Can I have the name for the order, please?
David Huey.
Hi, David, and it will be a carry out in 876 Gary Street, San Francisco, California, right?
Yes.
Thank you, David. What
Correct.
can I get you?
1 large pepperoni pizza.
And will that come with regular or extra cheese?
Regular cheese.
All right. How about a ranch dipping cup?
No, thank
We
you.
actually don't want to place the
Would you
call,
like
so
to
I'm gonna
include a
cancel it over
20-ounce
here.
Coca-Cola for drink?
No, thank you.
Okay, sure. The order would be for David. Order again as a carry out. You are having now a large hand-tossed pepperoni pizza only. David, order total include tax. It's $22.91. Would you like to pay at the store? Pay at the
Yes,
store?
I'll pay at the store.
I'll place the order now.
I
It
need to
would be
cancel the
ready and
order.
carried out 9 to 19 minutes.
I changed my mind. Please cancel the order.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but the order right now was successfully placed.
Please
If
cancel
you
the
want to
order.
cancel the order, I'll just have to connect you now directly to the local store for further assistance. Stay in the line. I'll connect you now to them, okay? Because I cannot cancel the order here.
Well, it looks like we'll have to figure out a way to pay for that. Another interesting thing you can do with Vibrato is customize the specific caller that's on the phone. So here we can customize the person that made the call, the AI agent that made the call. So here we're using GPT-4o class intelligence. We're using a voice clone. That's my voice on the phone. We have a really simple system for calling you to record your voice and then instantly making that available over the phone. Then there's a lot of common details here that could be useful during a phone call. So say people ask for a callback number, that's all gathered from this page here. And with that was a quick tour of Vibrato. I hope you could see how the product is useful to businesses, consumers, anyone that really needs phone call automation. You can visit us at getvibrato.com. Thank you.